Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up.
Oh no.
Hey, Mark, Lily. What are you two lovebirds doing here?
We're here to eat.
Awesome. I think you're in the wrong place, though. There aren't that many healthy options.
Yeah, it's okay. It's a cheat day.
I get that. I basically have a cheat day every day.
Right.
I gotta get back on the grind, you know? Yeah. Oh, the hammies. Hammies.
Is he gonna take our order or?
Sorry, bro. Ladies first.
I'd like a coffee, please.
What would you like me to get you to drink?
A coffee, please.
Oh, good choice. Yeah, just make sure to add the good stuff in there.
Mm-hmm.
Black coffee is for the elderly. And now, what would you like?
I'll also have a coffee.
Oh, both getting coffee? What's next? Pancakes? Oh.
How did you know I wanted pancakes?
It might be my sixth sense, not that people actually order pancakes here all the time.
That's great. Well, I would like a.
Wait. Let me guess. Oh, 2 fingers. You are thinking about getting
Some pancakes.
Aw. You're no fun. Next time, you gotta let me guess if you're gonna want dessert.
After breakfast?
You never know.
Actually, I want some side options.
Wait. Let me guess.
Actually, we're fine. We don't want any sides.
I wanted
We don't want any sides, right, honey?
You're right. We're fine, actually.
That was a good guess, Mark. I'll bring those right out for you.
What was that about?
Look, I'll make it up to you. Just let it be.
Why?
I don't know. I'm surprised he even has a job.
What is he doing?
Being himself. Wait, this is a joke, right?
Pardon moi?
Who the hell just brings out lettuce and calls it a meal?
I got you, didn't I? Don't worry. I'll bring you your food.
Buddy, I didn't order a grilled cheese.
Well, it just turned 12 o'clock, bro. And my manager is very strict about lunch hours.
Wait, so you can serve dessert after breakfast, but I can't get some goddamn pancakes that I already ordered?
It's not my rules. I'm sorry, bro. Okay? Just breathe. Just inhale and exhale.
No. I just want my pancakes. Where is your manager?
He's, Look, bro. You wouldn't understand. Alright?
Mark, it's okay. Just calm down.
He's what? He's the dog?
Well, he's,
Do not tell me it's the dog.
Okay, bro. I won't tell you.
Is it the fucking dog?
Mark, hey, calm down. It's okay.
Look, you told me not to tell you, so I crossed my heart and I hope to die, and I leave me with a slice of pie.
Bring me the manager.
Whoa. Okay, bro. You don't want to do this. I took 2 half semesters of karate.
Bro, just give me what I ordered.
Manager's rule, dude. Okay? You can either take the sandwich or you can leave it.
You're done for.
Where'd you get that from?
I'm not sure.
Oh, yeah?
Think a ladle can do anything to me?
I guess we'll find out since you don't want to calm down, sir.
Is that a steel chair?
I'm sorry, bro. I had to do it. But look. Pancakes. All is forgiven.
I'll take him home.
It's on the house for you and your semi-conscious cuddle bud.
Thanks, I appreciate it.
A chair? Where did you get a steel chair?